Two-port networks, resonance I will close. Two-port networks, you can see here, these are the formulas involved. These are the formulas in two-port network. Okay. You have six different varieties of parameters. One is Z parameter, next Y parameter, next ABCD parameter, hybrid parameter, then inverse ABCD, inverse hybrid. Okay. You have to remember this. What are the input parameters? What are the output parameters? You have to remember. Then based on that, you can frame the matrix representation or equation wise representation. You can do it. Okay. This is about the two-port networks formula. And now coming to the problems, what you will do, whenever a T network is given, okay, you have matrix form Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22, that you know. The four values of Z matrix elements, you know. The first one, Z11, means you have to add the initial beginning, first two. If it is T network, this is first circuit, this is second circuit, both are in the T model. You have to make Z matrix for first circuit, you have to make Z matrix for the second circuit separately. If it is T model, then Z matrix will be Z11 is addition of these two, okay, Z22 is addition of these two, Z12 and Z21, it is in the center, okay. Whatever the center is there, that is Z12 and Z21. In the beginning, this 1 plus 2 is nothing but Z11. This 1 plus 2 is nothing but Z22. Okay, this is for the first circuit Z matrix. First circuit Z matrix. Similarly, this is another circuit Z matrix is similarly calculated. If you put them together, then it is directly series combination. Series combination means direct addition. Respective elements direct addition. That is in the case of T network and Z matrix calculation. Okay. If it is pi matrix, if it is pi model and Y calculation is required. Okay, pi model, Y calculation is required. Just I will show you how it look like. So I have told, I will close as soon as possible. Okay, 10:30 I will close. 10:30 I will close. So Z parameters, Y parameters. In Y parameters, what I told, if it is pi model and if the values are in mho, okay. This is 2 mho and 1 mho or Siemens, 5 mho, okay. Y matrix is Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22, okay. And in that case, it is first two addition 3, then minus 1, 1 plus 5, it is 6. Okay, these are the values in Y matrix. So if it is pi network, Y matrix calculation is easy. If it is T network, Y matrix calculation is easy. Otherwise, write down the KVL equations. Okay, KVL equations. What are the equations governing Z matrix? V1, V2 are the voltages. Z11, I1 plus Z12, I2. Next, Z21, I1 and Z22, I2. You have to write KVL equations, get this equation 1A, 1B, then you can find the values of Z. Okay, 4Z values are there. So like that you have to, using KVL, you have to go with, in any general circuit. In any general circuit, you have to use KVL. And Y matrix, how you calculate in any general circuit? KCL. In any general circuit, use KCL. Okay, use KCL and find the current equations. I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. And then I2 is nothing but Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Okay. And here, if it is T network, already I told you. If it is T network, already I told you. If this is 1 ohm, 5 ohms, and if this is 3 ohms, coming to Z matrix, which is Z11, 12, 21 and 22. Okay. First you add the initial 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 5, 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. This is the Z matrix. Okay. In T network. If this is T network. Y network, it is direct. And then KVL, KCL is very important. Okay. You maximum concentrate with the Z parameters and Y parameters. Any circuit given Z parameters, Y parameters. Then other parameters you use the conversion formulas. That will be the easiest method to follow. Okay, for other parameters, any given circuit you apply Z matrix and Y matrix calculation, and other parameters if they are asking, then go with the conversion formulas. That is the best method. Okay, and conversion formulas just I will show you. If Z is known to calculate Y, it is Z inverse. If Y is known to calculate Z, it is Y inverse. Okay. Then ABCD to Z and Y conversion, these are the formulas. Z is known, so RHS it is Z value, ABCD on the LHS. These formulas you by heart. Similarly, H parameter to Z and Y also I will put in the slide. In the PPT, I will put and give you the PPT. Okay. That will be the best method to prepare in the two-port network. Okay. Other than that, you have reciprocity and symmetrical. Okay. Symmetrical and reciprocity formulas are there. Symmetrical and reciprocity formulas are there. Based on that also some problems may come. Okay. Direct formula substitution only. That reciprocity and symmetrical property, direct formulas only. It may be very helpful. Okay. With that two-port network, one more small thing I will discuss in the two-port networks, and with that I will close the two-port network. If dependent sources are there, no need to worry. If dependent sources are there, no need to worry. Just write the KVL, KCL equations and make the subject V1, V2 for calculating Z parameters, I1, I2 for calculating Y parameters. If you are calculating Z parameters, write KVL equation, don't forget. If you want Y parameters, write KCL equation, don't forget. If the circuit given can give only Z parameter, but in the question Y parameters are asked, no problem. For the given circuit, you have to identify whether KVL is possible or KCL is possible. For the given circuit, you identify whether loops are present or nodal analysis are present. Okay. First calculate one, either Z or Y. Then if Z is possible, they are asking the question Y means Y equal to Z inverse, you apply. If Y is possible, you are writing KCL equation, Y is possible, you write and find the Y parameters. In the question, if they are asking Z, Z is nothing but Y inverse, that you will write. Dependent with dependent sources. Okay, with dependent sources, it is very much easy. Okay, I will copy paste one problem of dependent sources also in the PPT and give it to you. And as usual, first you concentrate Z and Y only. Other parameters you maximum apply the conversion formulas. That will be the best method. Okay, but other than that, I showed you one paint image. No, all the formulas related to the parameters, hybrid parameter and ABCD parameter. Like this also you can write the equation and get it V1 I1 as subject. Okay, V1 I2 as subject. Then in that case you can get ABCD and H parameters, but that will take more time. So best method in two-port network is find Z or Y. Okay, then using the conversion formulas you go with H and ABCD if they are asking. And the reciprocal and symmetry property is the extension version, which is also very important.